Hey, Chuck Cashman coming to you from one of my favorite locations, the Salon of the Ocean Alexander 90R. This is hull 2, and it's got a couple enhancements. Evan Marshall design in collaboration with Richard Allender. Richard with Ocean Alexander from years and years he's got a great eye for what the American boater wants. Evan Marshall has a great eye for what worldwide boating wants, and that partnership is pretty strong. Johnny Chu and his team over in Taiwan building this thing. That's 3 really strong components that come together to give you a beautiful blend of a seagoing ship and a very contemporary design.
We're here today to sea trial the 90 Revolution, which is the latest and greatest of the Ocean Alexander products. It is 90 feet long, 22.5-foot beam. It has 1,900 horsepower MTU motors in it.
We are off the coast of Fort Lauderdale. We're cruising at about 23 knots, and we're on board with the new wave-piercing bow that has extended the hull length to add stability and actually increase our speed.
What I like about this boat is that you have both the option of an enclosed bridge and an open bridge, but the on-deck master all the way forward is totally awesome. You've got big windows on either side, a walk-in head with a center shower. It's really incredible.
The Ocean Alexander Revolution series sets the world apart. This boat is the mega entertainer, no compromise in quality from front to back with interior.
When you think about Ocean Alexander, you think about traditional design, and whenever they came out with the 90R, it really was a revolution going more towards a modern styled yacht with a vertical bow.
This is a new era for Ocean Alexander, extremely innovative. Look at the interior, the materials that they've used. The layout is second to none between the aft deck, forward deck, bridge area, downstairs, the galley. Boat is just extremely spacious.
Probably the most quiet, vibration-free ride. Really livable boat, just a joy to be on. The new wave-piercing bow is a proven bow with a proven ride on this boat. Just a fantastic technology, beautiful ride.
Tell you that I can't wait to take the rest of this information back to my team members and also our clients that are interested in this boat. This boat holds its own in any category.
I was super impressed as we were going 23 knots and it really felt like we were going 10. So if you're on the market for a very modern vessel, really well built for a long run trip, you gotta come check this out.
We had about 25 brokers from MarineMax on board, and I think everybody was impressed with the capabilities, how quiet she rode. There's just a lot of open spaces to go on the boat, and the windows in the main salon that go 3/4 of the way down to the floor just give this a total open feel. None of our competition is achieving that right now.
You'll find our main location for Ocean Alexander Yachts right here in Southeast Florida. You can contact me, Bruce Seiler, at MarineMax, or any of your sales associates.
Thank you very much for spending your time with us, and check it out at MarineMaxYachts.com.